As a homeowner in Pasadena, you are likely familiar with the hot summers and mild winters that can put a strain on your heating and cooling systems. One of the most effective ways to combat fluctuating temperatures and reduce your energy costs is by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-saving options can make a significant difference in your home's comfort, energy bills, and environmental impact. In this article, we'll explore the best energy-efficient window replacement options for Pasadena homes, helping you make an informed choice that suits your style, budget, and home-specific needs. Double or triple glazing. Better insulation for your home. One of the most effective ways to improve the energy efficiency of your windows is by replacing single-pane windows with double or triple glazed windows. These windows are designed with 2 or 3 layers of glass, separated by an insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, which significantly reduces heat transfer. Double-glazed windows feature 2 layers of glass, offering a solid barrier to heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Triple-glazed windows provide an additional layer of glass, making them even more energy efficient. While they may be more expensive than double-glazed options, they offer superior insulation and are particularly beneficial for homes in areas with extreme temperatures, such as Pasadena's hot summers. By choosing double or triple glazed windows, you can maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round without overworking your air conditioning and heating systems, ultimately saving on energy bills. Low-E glass coatings. Protect your home from UV rays and heat. Another option to consider when replacing your windows is low-E glass. Low-E stands for low emissivity, refers to the glass's ability to reflect heat and UV rays while allowing visible light to pass through. Low-E glass is coated with a microscopic layer of metal oxide, which helps reduce heat transfer and minimizes the amount of ultraviolet (UV) radiation entering your home. Winter benefits. In colder months, low-E windows reflect heat back into your home, keeping your indoor spaces warm without needing to raise your thermostat. Summer benefits. In hot months, low-E glass reflects much of the sun's heat, helping to keep your home cool and reducing the need for air conditioning. By installing windows with low-E coatings, you'll not only enjoy a more comfortable living environment, but also protect your furniture, carpets, and artwork from fading caused by harmful UV rays. This is especially important in Pasadena, where abundant sunshine can cause damage to your home's interiors over time. Energy Star rated windows. Certified efficiency. When choosing energy-efficient windows, it's important to look for options that are Energy Star rated. The Energy Star label is awarded to windows that meet strict standards for energy efficiency set by the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. These windows are tested for thermal insulation, air leakage, and solar heat gain to ensure that they provide optimal performance in various climates. Energy Star rated windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, block drafts, and reduce energy consumption. These windows also help regulate indoor temperatures, which means your HVAC system will not need to work as hard to maintain a comfortable atmosphere in your home. Fiberglass and vinyl frames. Durable and insulated. While the glass in your windows plays a crucial role in energy efficiency, the frame material is just as important. Traditional wooden window frames may look beautiful, but they can expand and contract with temperature changes, leading to gaps and drafts that reduce their insulating power. On the other hand, fiberglass and vinyl frames are highly durable and offer better insulation. Fiberglass frames are resistant to warping, cracking, and moisture, making them a great choice for homes in areas with fluctuating temperatures. These frames are also energy efficient, as they have low thermal conductivity, meaning they won't allow heat to pass through. Vinyl frames are another affordable, low-maintenance option. They are naturally insulated and can help reduce heat transfer while also being resistant to moisture and the effects of the California sun. Both fiberglass and vinyl window frames are available in a variety of styles and finishes, ensuring that you can find a solution that complements your home's design while also improving its energy efficiency. Custom window solutions for your Pasadena home. Every home is unique, and that means the best window solution for your home may differ from the next. Custom window solutions allow you to tailor the size, shape, and style of your windows to suit the specific needs of your property. Whether you have historical architecture, want to add a bay window, or need windows that fit non-standard spaces, custom windows offer flexibility without sacrificing energy efficiency. Professional window installers can help you choose the most appropriate glazing options, frame materials, and window styles to achieve the best energy performance and aesthetic for your home. Custom windows also allow you to choose specialty glass, such as frosted and tinted glass, to further improve privacy, security, and energy savings. Window treatments for added efficiency. In addition to upgrading your windows, you can further enhance energy efficiency with window treatments. Adding solar shades, curtains, or blinds can help regulate heat and light in your home, adding an extra layer of insulation. These treatments are especially effective in south-facing windows that receive the most direct sunlight, helping to reduce the heat buildup in the summer. Shutters and blinds can also provide an added level of privacy and security, while thermal curtains can help keep the warmth in during the colder months. Conclusion. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient options is one of the smartest home improvement investments you can make in Pasadena. Whether you opt for double-glazed windows, low-E coatings, Energy Star-rated windows, or durable fiberglass and vinyl frames, upgrading to more efficient windows will reduce energy consumption, increase comfort, and lower your utility bills. With the right window solutions, you'll not only enjoy a more comfortable living environment but also contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly home. When you invest in energy-efficient windows, you're making a lasting change that will pay off for years to come.